She giving. Giving. Just be me, just be see me. That's what sister said, ain't it? Just
Shorty my side, she got no stomach. Look her dead in the face when I'm coming. Send a video and tell me she want it. Just the other day I
oh my gosh. It's Mrs. Bean. My eyebrows look so bad. Yeah, my hair is so tiny. You ain't even on and I'm already feeling myself. So I'm cutting it off. Okay. Definitely know it. I had a lash appointment tomorrow. I was about to get something hella long, something long, like you can't even see my eyes. And she gonna cancel it yesterday. I got an interview.
Okay, you got an interview all day.
Don't. Like a bigger one.
Try to be easy too.
No. So then how it gonna be more light?
So more than one.
Oh.
I hear so. I think one of them was good though. Still some shit give it to me. What's gonna buy me another?
Story
Let me tell
time.
you about this time. I found out my 11-year-old sister was pregnant.
That ain't no
I
real
had
story.
an interview. I had an interview and asked for a drug test. Of course, I'm not gonna pass a drug test. So I was like, okay, I know my 11-year-old sister gonna pass the drug test. It's like, sure, only 11. So I called her, asked her, can I use your piece? So, she gave me, like, yeah, sure. So, took the piece to the office. And I come back in there, they said, congratulations. I said, congratulations. They said, congratulations, you're pregnant. I'm like, I'm pregnant? There is no way I'm pregnant. There is no way I'm pregnant.
Oh my gosh. I got a real story time.
On TikTok, by the way.
Anyway, so this is a real story time. I saw a post on Instagram the other day about how we was like getting shot at and stuff.
We killing our own selves, by the way.
We used to get shot at and stuff, and we was younger, and we thought it was like really cool, and it made me think of the time when I got shot at. So story time, me.
Getting shot at?
Yeah, in the shootout. Pew pew. I'm getting feed-ins, and I ordered like all these dresses from Fashion Nova Heels, and y'all, I remember it was me, my best friend from high school, and this girl that we met at the school I graduated from. So we come to Florence or whatever, and
Where you graduate from? What school you graduate from?
Coastal.
You ready to graduate?
Yeah.
I thought it was the rest of
compound because we about to see Uzi and Doc perform. This is my first concert. I'm like, woo, because you know I love Uzi, I love Dolph, you know. Yeah, we get there, you know, have a good time or whatever like that. We leaving or whatever, and I just had got my nipples pierced. Literally, I'm about to walk out. Some girl shoots into like the crowd, and I'm standing right beside the crowd that she's shooting in. Basically, she's shooting at me. It's a shootout. Everybody start yelling. The bottle girls dropping all the bottles, so glasses on the floor. People pushing. I got on these skinny ass Fashion Nova heels, and if you ordered heels from Fashion Nova ever before, you know that the sizes be off. So like they were just perfect. Like I had no more space, no less space. Like it just fit my foot exactly. So as soon as the alcohol and all this shit get on the floor, I slip, I fall. My knees, they busted. They're bleeding. My whole boob is out on the floor. My fresh nipple piercings are out on the floor. Took a shower or whatever and was like, that shit been lit. Like, it been turned. Like, so that's my story time. How I got shot at, but I had a good time. It need to be something else. I should title it something else. Story time, I was in a shootout. Y'all, I think she complained about everybody else she do. Minus me. I be feeling special. And it makes me feel good. She giving. She ain't even done yet. She giving. Giving. Just be me. Just see me. That's what sister said, ain't it? Just sound like that. You know. No, I need to exfoliate my lips. I've been smoking a lot. Alright, y'all. So I'm about to end my vlog right here. Thanks for watching.